popped this tire on my bricks at my house. No, this is how you fix a flat tire on the bike. First, you pull this lever down. You pull this lever down and try to just get it to the bottom. Then have your friend or an adult hold the handlebars so the front part of the bike is staying still while you try to get it past these brakes right here. And what causes those brakes to be so hard to get past is because the bike was built to not have the wheel come off. See, when you pull these brakes, it squeezes the tire, so it helps it slow down. So then you just pinch this through the brakes and you drop it down. So there you have your front tire off. Now that we have the tire off the bike,
The first thing we do is to take off the valve cover.
the next thing we do is get the tire off the rim. You take these little tools
Like Eric's doing.
and you take the spoon right here, you hook it under the tire so you have it hooked, then you kind of lever it, and then you get this hooked on a spoke. The next thing we do is really to get the tire off the rim. You take another one of these red things, and then you still have that one in. So then you just slide it. So it's almost like popping the tire off. It's kind of hard. And there you have it. What you have to do is take another one of these tools in, and you've gotten the top part of the tire off. Now for the bottom, you'll see a tube. Here we just got it off. See, there's a tube right here, and then there's the bottom half of the tire. So first we slided it along here so you're able to see the tube. And then you slide on the bottom to take the whole tire off from the wheel. Try to find where the hole is. Eric, we just found it. It was right here. You can also listen for the sound and then you mark it. Now we're going to patch a hole in the tube. Step 1, you have to roughen the tube lightly with sandpaper. Just lightly. Step 2, one of these little packs. Here. And then there should be some glue in it. And 2 patches. You have to take the glue that is bigger than the patch.
Now the patch is on the tire, you can pump it up instantly.
Now that we've done all that for fixing the tube, pump air back into it for a test so that you make sure there's no other holes. Pump it until you think the bike is ready. Listen for leaks. No. Make sure the patches are securely bonded to the tube before putting it back in. What we've done now is, first, since we patched the tube, which is now inside of this, we checked the tire right here, also known as the outside covering, to see if there were any more sharp metal pieces or thorns that you might have ran into a rose bush or something, so that the tube will not pop again. Fit the tube back into the tire, and as you do that, you may need to use these tools again to get the last bit of the tire onto the wheel. Then pump your tire back up with air. Now we got the tire back on the bike,
We're ready to go riding.
Okay, now it's time for a test drive.
Now, thanks for watching How to Fix a Tire.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.